Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. My name is Paul. Welcome to the basement. Today we're doing deep core workout. We only have 3 different exercises, 9 sets. I've been doing more and more of this type of work on my own, so I figure I share it with you guys. So we're gonna start off with 3 sets of 20 side swings. You can use a kettlebell or a dumbbell for this workout. I'm going to use a kettlebell. So if there's a clock, it's going to be on this wall right here. The preview is going to be right here. We get started in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 20 side swings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, believe me, you'll feel this after a while. 5. I know I will. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2, and put the weight down. How long are we going to break up a think? I don't know. 20, 30 seconds or so. So during all of these exercises, I want you to brace the core. So breathe in, tighten up those core muscles, and learn how to breathe with a tight core. So everything's tight. I'm still talking to you, and I'm still breathing, but the core is tight. So that's how we're going to support all these exercises throughout these next few minutes. Not a long workout today, guys. Ready to go for set number 2? Same thing. We're doing 3 sets. Remember? 3, 2, 1. Brace and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist. And halfway there. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. And put the weight down. So this is a great workout if you want to, stand alone, it's going to be quick, right? But if you want to end your regular workout with a little bit of core work, something different besides doing crunches, maybe on leg raises or scissor kicks or whatever. Trust me, I love doing all those exercises, but this is probably much more functional than anything else. Maybe not as rewarding because, like I said, these are the muscles you don't see all the time, but definitely more functional. Let's take 10 more seconds. We'll get the 3rd and final set of this particular exercise done in 5 seconds, all right? So grab your weight. Kettlebell works great for this. 3, 2, 1, let's go for 20. 1. Come on. Twist. 7, 8. 2 more, will be halfway there. 9 and 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 more. And 10. And weight down. Now we're moving on to the second exercise. These are going to be 30-second sets of hollow body holds. Do the best that you can on this. Those feet are going to come up off the air, off the ground, off the air. And then so are the arms and the shoulders if you can. Just prop yourself up as high as you can. You guys ready to go? Let's get down on the ground. I got a clock in front of me. It's going to be a clock on the wall. I'm going to try to go for roughly 30 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and hold. And just squeeze up. Squeeze everything up. Put those shoulders all the way, those arms all the way back. And hold it. Squeeze. This is not easy. It looks easy. Squeeze up. Point the toes. 15 seconds left. Keep going. Squeeze. I'm shaking already. Come on. 5, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Let's take 15 seconds, and we'll get right back at it. We're going in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. 30 seconds.
Shoulders back. Squeeze everything into the ground. Let those legs and shoulders come off the ground and squeeze. Fight it. Fight gravity with me. Come on. Point everything. 15 seconds left. Stay right. 10 seconds. Stay here. We got this. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax for 15 seconds.
Whew. One more set. One more set. We're getting started in 10 seconds. We'll stay right down here. Like I said, my workouts are your workouts. That's what I always say, guys. We're getting going. 3, 2, 1,
and hold. Everything back. Nice and tight. Concentrate on that core. Breathe. Learn how to breathe while everything is nice and tight. Got 15 seconds left. Hold it with me. Looking good. Feeling better. Let's go. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Oh boy. Boy, that is a lot harder than it looks for me. I don't do the hollow body hold nearly as often as I should. So yes, I did struggle even though it was only 3 sets of 30 seconds. All right, we got one exercise left. I'm gonna get down on the ground for this one. You're gonna grab your weight and you're just gonna bring it over your head. And then you're gonna bring it over your head to the other side. We're gonna go for 10 repetitions. 10 is being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not one left, but one length, rather, if you're a swimmer. So we're gonna get down on the knees. There's an advantage getting down here. You can't use as much momentum as if you were standing up. And also the ceiling here is really low, so you know, kind of works for me in both ways. So you're gonna grab that weight, just bring it over your head, and then bring it back. And like I said, we're going for 5 laps or 10 lengths if you are a swimmer. So grab your weight and just gonna swing it over. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Over and down on this side. Over and down. That's 2. Over. 3. Over. 4. Over. 5. 6. 7. 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. Oh yeah, that is stressful. And this is a pretty light kettlebell. What is this, 25 pounds? I'm feeling it. Let's take 20 seconds. And we got 2 more sets, guys. We got this. Like I said, these are the showy core muscles, but this is the core muscles that your body really appreciates because they support it. Anyway, how about we take 5 more seconds? Where you're going for 10 more reps. So good posture. Grab your weight to the side and ready to go with me. 3, 2, 1, and let's go up and over, up and over, up and over, up. That's 4. Up, 5, up, 6, up, 7, 8, 2 more. 1 and 2, and we'll take a little break. Whew. Relax. Let's relax for another 15 seconds. We're doing last and final set of exercises, and then we are going to be done with our deep core workout. All right, last set. Let's make it the best one. Good posture. Try not to swing. All right. I'm trying my best. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go up. Oh. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 more. 1, 2, last 1, and 3. Well, that felt rather difficult. Guys, thank you for joining me today for this deep core workout.
This is Fit After 50. My name is Paul. Workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. I believe this is workout number 606 in 5.5 years. I've never missed that Monday or Thursday upload. I'm being consistent. I hope you're just consistent as I am. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.